Welcome to Ignite India Education, India's largest design learning platform. So today we are here on students' request because we have got a lot of inquiries and students have requested to inform about the NIFT situation test. So many students have sent messages and calls to update you what is the status, what is whether NIFT situation test is cancelled or it is postponed, and what NIFT will do, what you should do now if it is cancelled or if it is postponed. So first thing first, you should not get panicked. So this is the first thing you all, and in this video we will discuss what all you can do in this situation. So first thing is you should not get panicked. We are always there to help you. We will update you anything or any notification, anything we will update you. You will get the video, you will get Instagram stories on Ignite India. We are always there to help you. Now what you should do, you can utilize your time, you can start making your digital portfolio which will help you. All right, what all you can keep in your digital portfolio? You can keep your previous artwork, okay, and you can also keep your situation test model which you have made, practice models you can keep. What is digital portfolio? Digital portfolio is you whatever work you have made, just click a picture, okay. Also you can improve your presentation, so presentation is very important. Some of artwork we have kept, these are just for reference, okay, so these are good, so you can take idea. If you want, you can take help from us. So just improve your presentation, you make your digital portfolio, keep it ready. That portfolio you can use for NID interview, you can use for international colleges. If you want to study abroad, you can, and if you want to apply, you need portfolio. If you are applying for any scholarship, in that case also digital portfolio will help you. When you will join NIFT, and if you will be applying for any exchange program in third semester or any scholarship, that time also you need these, like, digital portfolio. You can, and maybe after third year or fourth year, including these artwork and what you will do in NIFT, if you will add, so this will show, the portfolio will show entire journey how you have improved from now, and when and whatever work you will do in third or fourth year in the NIFT, those all work. So in that case it will give interviewer a different perspective altogether. So guys, don't get panic. If any kind of format, like, still it is not decided whether NIFT situation test 2021 is cancelled completely or what will be the format. So you all should wait for any official notification. Also we will be posting video, we will be updating you from the Ignite India channel and in Instagram of Ignite India, on Ignite India app notification. So stay connected, good luck, stay safe, stay in home, take care.